Good afternoon, students. This is Ram Kumar from Urban Pro. Now we are going to discuss about the topic called cell division. Okay, the cell division is it is the basis for the uh, certain organism to get to get growth to getting growth and its development in a structure. Okay, so in cell division, it is carried out into two types as amitosis and mitosis. Okay, so in amitosis, it is again classified into two types as uh, karyokinesis. Karyokinesis and cytokinesis. The name karyo itself define as nucleus, and a kinesis is division, which means nuclear. Which means it means that division of the nucleus. Okay, division of nucleus which occurs in a amitosis. Whereas in cytokinesis, the cyto means kinesis means a division. Cyto means a division which occurs in a cytoplasm at a cell level. Okay, division of cytoplasm. In amitosis, there are drawbacks. Okay, so why there are drawbacks means there is a uneven distribution of the chromosomes. Okay, in amitosis, it causes a uneven distribution of chromosomes. Okay, so uneven distribution of the chromosomes, it can lead to due to the uneven distribution of the chromosome, it can lead to a certain abnormalities. Certain abnormalities in metabolism and reproduction. Either it's a body metabolism changing, or whether it is a reproduction formation. Okay, whereas in mitosis, it is classified into as two types. One is open mitosis, and another one is closed mitosis. In closed mitosis, the division of the nucleus inside the cell. Okay, so in closed mitosis, the nuclear envelope remains intact, and the chromosomes getting split up inside the nucleus itself. After that only it migrate. After that only it gets separated. So which means it like this. So this is so maybe wait a minute. So consider this is a nucleus. So in that only in that only the chromosomes are getting splitted within the nucleus. After that only it gets split up. Okay, after that only it gets split up into as daughter cells. This is a open mitosis. So for best example for the open mitosis is Many single eukaryotes. Okay, many single eukaryotes. Many single eukaryotes which underperform mitosis, which can develop its offspring. Okay, whereas in open mitosis, the nuclear envelope breaks down and reforms two set of separated chromosomes. In here, in open mitosis. Okay, in open mitosis, the nuclear envelope breaks down. Okay, consider itself as a nuclear membrane. Consider itself as a nuclear membrane. So this nuclear membrane breaks down. This nuclear membrane breaks down, and the chromosomes are getting separated by the spindle fibers. Chromosomes are getting separated by the spindle fibers, and after that it gets separated. After then it's getting separated, it forms a two daughter nucleus. In daughter nucleus, new nuclear membrane are formed. New nucleus and nuclear membrane are formed. Okay, so this is called as open mitosis. In open mitosis, there are four kinds of phases. The first one is prophase, and the second one is metaphase. Third one is anaphase, and the fourth one is telophase. Okay, the first one is the prophase. It is the longest phase in the mitosis. The prophase is the longest phase. The prophase is the longest phase in the mesophase. The chromosomes are visible in this phase. Yes, sir. The chromosomes are visible in this phase, sir. So when it goes to the metaphase, okay, when it goes to the metaphase, the two sister chromosomes are getting separated by this spindle fibers. Okay, this is the spindle fibers. Okay, this in this chro- the nuclear the when for prophase after the nucleus went to the metaphase, the nucleolus are getting disappeared, and the inside the chromosomes are getting separated and into us two sister chromatids, and the two sister chromatids are separated by those spindle fibers. Okay, so this metaphase. This is known as a metaphase. And third one is a anaphase. Each chromosomes are getting separated simultaneously. So each of the chromosomes are getting splitted simultaneously at the opposite poles. Those chromosomes are went to the opposite poles and are getting splitted. So this occurs in anaphase. And finally, the sets of daughter chromosomes are formed to reach the opposite folds and the mitotic spindle. After the chromosomes reach the poles of the opposite direction, this mitotic spindle fiber disappears. Okay, mitotic spindle fibers disappears. Spindle fibers disappears, and after that, new formation of the nucleolus are present, which contains a nuclear membrane, and chromosome. After that, after formation of the two daughter cells, new formation of the nucleolus are formed, which contains those chromosomes. So these are the daughter cells. So in prophase, where we can see the only parent cell, the parent cell undergoes these phases, and at the final of the telophase, it offspring daughter cells. Okay. Yeah. So meiosis, the next cell division, another cell division concept is also known as meiosis. Okay. So in meiosis, sorry, what is this? In meiosis, the term itself, meos, okay, meom, the term meom itself means reduce. Okay, where with in meiosis, the same process which occurs the same, which means the prophase, prophase, and it went to metaphase, and it went to anaphase, and it went to telophase. Where in telophase, where we can have two daughter offsprings. Okay. Okay, where we can have two daughter offsprings. So after that, it these two daughter offsprings are went to again a metaphase. Okay, which means these two daughter cells, okay, these two daughter cells again undergo into metaphase. This phase is also this phase is called as metaphase 1. Okay, so these two daughter cells from a telophase again went into metaphase, where the nucleolus are getting disappeared, and the chromatids, the chromosomes are getting splitted as a two sister chromatids, and getting separated by spindle fibers. After that, it again went to anaphase, where the chromosomes are getting separated at the two ends. Okay, this phase is called as, I think, sorry. So here in meiosis, there are the same phase is repeated under here. So that's why in biological terms we mention it as this is a prophase 1, This is a this is a metaphase one. This is a anaphase one. This is a telophase one. And we mentioned this as a metaphase two. And now we mentioned it as a anaphase two. And finally, after the anaphase, uh, it create a two. It create a four offsprings. So this is a telophase two. So in open mitosis, the whereas if the parent nucleus having a chromosome of 2n, the same daughter nucleus is also having a chromosome of 2n. But whereas in meiosis, where in prophase one, where the parent having a chromosomes of 2n, the same here in at the telophase 1 itself, the daughter nucleus is having a chromosome of 2n, but undergo but after the telophase 1, it undergoes again metaphase 2 and anaphase 2 and telophase 2. the the offsprings of the offsprings of the chromosome the final offsprings of the chromosomes are only n itself, which means the daughter cells are dead in meiosis. In meiosis, the daughter cells are genetically different from the parent cells. Okay. Okay, the daughter cells are genetically different from the parent cell. So the parent cell which is went to under the prophase one. Until telophase 1 itself, the daughter cells are having a same genetic type, but it undergoes again metaphase 2, anaphase 2, and telophase 2. The final product of the offsprings having the chromosomes are different from the parent cell, which is this is the parent. This is the parent which is goes under the prophase. Okay, so that's all about our cell division. If you have any doubt regarding about this topic or need a clear explanation, please contact me through via RPM Pro. Thank you.